From what I understand, after you graduate law school, you have to take the state bar.
Correct.
So how was that for you?
That was miserable.
Really?
Probably the worst 2 months of my life. It's taking the state bar was daunting, to say the least. You basically have to memorize 3 years of law school and then be able to regurgitate it quickly during an exam. And the exam is 3 days. It's
So it's no, it's they changed it recently, right? It's 2 days.
When I took it, it was 3 days.
It was 3
now,
days.
Now
okay.
they made it 2.
Gotcha.
California had the toughest bar in the country, and it was very difficult. It was 3 days. The first day was you had 3 essays, and you had an hour to write each one.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the afternoon, you had what's called a performance evaluation exam, which is they give you a bunch of fake laws and case law and stuff like that, and then you have to write a memo based on a specific issue.
Mm-hmm.
The second day is 200 multiple choice questions, 100 in the morning, 100 in the afternoon, and they are the hardest multiple choice questions you've ever had in your life. I will tell you, some of the questions were that all the answers were wrong, but you had to pick the one that was least wrong.
Whoa. Okay. So yeah, that's a lot
And
trickier to do.
It's very tricky. It was very difficult. And then day 3 was just a repeat of day 1. So imagine all the subject that you have to learn in law school, and you have to have all those things memorized, like everything, all the elements for certain crimes and torts actions and everything. You have to have it memorized because you don't have time to mess around and not know it. And so basically, you're trying to memorize 3 years of law school in a couple months.
Just a couple months, and then all like regurgitate it all in
yes.
3 days.
Yes. And so, I studied 7 days a week, 12 to 14 hours a day.
Whoa.
It was pretty exhausting. And then I had the added pressure of, by this time, when I graduated, my daughter was 2.
Okay.
And I didn't, at that point, I had a job waiting for me at the Ventura County DA's office if I passed the bar.
Okay.
And we were broke. We had incurred like massive credit card debt,
Mm-hmm.
and I had to get a job. And so I had to pass the bar the first time because financially I didn't know how we were going to survive.
Right. Right.
And so there was a lot of pressure on me to not. You want to pass the bar, of course.
Right. Yeah.
But secondly, I had to pass the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Like because if you don't pass the first time, you can retake it a few months later. But I didn't have a few months.
Do they charge a fee every single time, or how does that work?
Oh yeah. This is California. They charge a fee for it.
Yeah.